I'm saved. My brother saved me. Thank you, brother. You're so unkind. I'm gonna slice some butt.
Ziggy. Y'all need to hear?
Yeah.
Zit.
You want another biscuit?
Yes. And this key, you break it apart for me, and I'll get the syrup.
That's good, Bubbles.
Oh gosh, she's steaming hot.
That peanut butter and jelly good?
What's up?
Video
Oh God! Watch. Girls. Can't trust them.
Not even these two girls. Okay, you food right quick.
Oh jeez. She's mad. It's on fire. What are you looking for?
I'm making a really bridge. So I can
Wow.
have another.
Really?
Maurice.
That's what you were looking for?
Yeah.
Meaty. It's a bee meaty. I'm gonna crush you, Dexter! Very slapped!
Sometimes I think she has a brain that makes it too. Because sometimes I think because Shane has a brain that makes it too.
John, listen.
Another one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But sometimes I think she has a brain that makes it too. This is the only way to my back cave. Look, I got Mac in it.
Not even you two I can't trust.
What? What does that do?
I was talking about Jonathan.
Set silver pieces. Do you have silver pieces? No.
Jonathan. I can't trust
I'm
you.
gonna put
I
silver.
can't trust you.
Because sometimes I think she has a brain that makes it.
You're a cuckoo.
I found silver. My booty's big ZT.
John said the ZT.
I said my booty's big ZT.
John the ZT.
Damn it, Courtney, you look. What are you looking at? He recording me, he said.
Which was a magnet.
Magnet. Oh no, Maurice, this dog is gonna follow my head. I must get in the back cave. Hurry. You don't
playing?
have no stupid back cave. Yes,
What you playing, Maurice?
None of business.
What you say?
Oh my God! Stop grabbing my ear. Playing Minecraft. God, I can't even see.
What you playing?
Minecraft.
You playing Minecraft?
Yes.
I'm take your game away. You won't tell me.
It's Minecraft.
But when I ask you a question, you answer me, boy.
Oh my God! Hit me in the head one more time.
Chicks dig poetry.
I'm Harry Potter. I got my
What you doing?
Yeah. I'm Harry Potter. I got magic wand. Fire magic wand. Fire magic
Looking at a movie?
Fire magic wand. Fire my broom. Woo! The only thing Shane Walter is his face and his butt.
Netflix, that's what I'm watching.
Netflix?
No! Get this out! Get this out of the magic wand! No!
What? See the eagle?
I did it!
Peck.
Hmm?
I still can't do Minecraft.
Why not?
Oh my God! Look, I'm tiny. Me press is big. This tiny. Oh, this kid's
After Merriweather kissed Dexter.
He's married.
Oh yeah.
Look this. Look, I can put 5 on there together.
Yeah, they were married.
You are married to